Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best bottle capper is probably one of the most essential tools for any homebrewer, as it's the final step in sealing your delicious creation. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive into the world of bottle cappers, exploring different types, features, and what to look for to ensure a perfect seal every time, so your homebrew stays fresh and carbonated. Number 5. YEBODA 12-ounce amber glass beer bottles. These bottles are perfect for home brewing. They are made with thick, durable amber glass to protect your brew. The bottles are ideal for homebrewing beers, kombucha, whiskey, soda, and more. The amber glass filters light, preserving the quality of your beverages. Made from non-toxic, recyclable materials, these bottles are environmentally friendly. The flip caps create a leak-proof seal, keeping your drinks fresh. The flip-top caps are easy to remove for cleaning and simple to reattach. They are made with stainless steel and silicone gaskets for a secure seal. Each set is carefully packaged in bubble wrap to prevent breakage during shipping. We ensure that it arrives safely to your door. If anything is damaged during shipping, let us know. We are committed to ensuring you are completely satisfied with the product and our service. What we like. This product features amber glass, which protects your brew from light damage. The flip caps provide a leak-proof seal, ensuring your beverages stay fresh. If you are looking for a way to store your homebrew safely and stylishly, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The capper is well built and sturdy. It works perfectly every time. The design is simple and effective. Number 4. Manual bottle capper tool with beer bottle caps. This bottle capper is made of high-strength ABS material, ensuring durability. It features a magnet in the center to hold the cap securely in place during installation. With its 2 lever handles and a magnet, this tool provides excellent stability. It ensures that the bottle caps stay in place, making the capping process more efficient. This tool allows you to quickly and easily seal your homemade brews. It works perfectly with crown caps and non-threaded bottles, providing a secure seal every time. Using this bottle capper is incredibly easy. Just push down on the cap and clamp it to the bottleneck to create an airtight seal. This capper is suitable for standard beer bottles, soda pop bottles, and champagne bottles. It fits standard 26mm crown caps. What we like. This capper is made of durable ABS material, ensuring it will last for many batches. The 2 lever handles provide stability, making capping easy. If you are a beginner homebrewer looking for a reliable and easy-to-use tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The capper is well built and feels sturdy. It works perfectly and caps bottles tightly. The design is simple and effective. Number 3. Craft a brew capping kit. Unleash your inner homebrewer with this capping kit. It includes everything you need to bottle your own beer, sourced directly from Italy. This kit makes the process easy and enjoyable. This kit comes with a generous supply of bottle caps. It's enough for multiple batches of homebrew, whether you're making 1-gallon or 5-gallon batches. You'll have plenty to get started. This kit is designed for use with standard Pry-Off beer bottles. You can recycle bottles you already have or collect empties from your local spots. It's a convenient and eco-friendly choice. This capping kit is compatible with all of our home beer brewing kits. This allows you to create your own beer or cider. Each batch yields around 8 to 10 bottles. Each kit is assembled with high-quality ingredients and an environmentally sustainable mindset. Enjoy beer the right way with this kit. It's a testament to quality and care. What we like. This kit includes everything you need to get started, including a capper and 100 caps. It is designed for Pry-Off bottles, making it easy to recycle bottles you already have. If you like a complete solution for your bottling needs, this is a great option. What people say. The capper worked perfectly. The capper is well built and sturdy. It capped all of my bottles with no issues. Number 2. Perrysbrewer 0B CVJH 525B Bottle Capper Set. This is the Perrysbrewer bottle capper set. It comes with everything you need to get started capping your own bottles. It's a great value and easy to use. The set includes 55 silver caps, enough for a standard 5-gallon batch. This ensures you have plenty to get started with your homebrewing project. It's all you need in one package. This capper is designed to cap any non-twist-off bottle. It's perfect for beer, cider, mead, and even root beer. It's a versatile tool for any homebrewer. The capper is made of all-metal construction, ensuring durability and longevity. This means it will last through many batches of homebrewed beverages. It's built to last. Buying this set is a better value than purchasing a capper and cap separately. You get everything you need in one convenient package. It saves you time and money. What we like. This capper comes with 55 caps, enough for a 5-gallon batch, and is an all-metal capper. It is designed to cap any non-twist-off bottle. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution that includes caps, consider this. What people say. It works great and the caps fit the bottles that I'm using perfectly, Kirin tall bottles. The construction seems quite sturdy and it's easy to tell once you have finished clamping on the bottles. This bottle capper works great and is easy to use. The caps sealed well and the beer had good carbonation. Number 1. FastRack Red Baron Bottle Capper. This is the Red Baron bottle capper from FastRack. It's a handheld tool designed for homebrewers. It's built with reinforced metal and durable plastic components for long-term use. This capper has a magnetic bell to easily get the bottle in place and keep it secure. It's designed for secure and efficient capping, making your homebrewing process easier. The capper comes with a non-slip base and holes for bolting it down. This ensures stability during the capping process, providing a reliable experience. It's easy to adjust for different size bottles with a self-adjusting lever. Simply place the bottle, put a cap under the magnet, and push the handle down. FastRack stands behind the quality of this product. If your order arrives damaged or incomplete, they will make it right, no questions asked. What we like. This capper features a magnetic bell for easy cap placement and a reinforced build for durability. It is also easy to adjust for different bottle sizes. If you are looking for a benchtop capper that is easy to use and built to last, you should consider this. What people say. The capper is well built and sturdy. It works perfectly every time. The design is simple and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.